Hi, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And we have been seeing how you can back up your database, and one of the plugins that you can use for that is the Database Manager. It not only backs up your database, but it also does things to your database to help it keep it at an optimum level. Um, which is more important as your website gets bigger and has more information and content in it. I have another plugin that I would like to share. Now this will also save your theme and the plugins that you're using, the various different images. The images are saved in your files section. They are not saved in your database. And so if your database is backed up, you lose everything somehow, some catastrophic server issue or something, then you can go, or you accidentally deleted it when you didn't mean to, then you have a way to recover it. And if you have just a backup, then it's these words and things that will be saved, but you're not going to have your images. Your images are saved someplace else. Your theme and it's been customized. All that will still be lost unless that has also been backed up. Now these things don't change as often as the database. It may not need to be backed up as often as the database. So let me show you a plugin that will help with this. This is a thing that was recommended by someone on my IX web host, and you search for plugins and type in Updraft. Okay, go ahead and hit the install now. Okay, and then you go ahead and activate the plugin. If you can notice the little pink box here, this is from my the database manager, and even though that we have got it so that you can't see the backups, that's been corrected. The little pink box is still showing up here. I'm not sure why. If that's annoying for you, and if you feel like your database isn't that large, then you may want to go ahead and use this plugin both to back up your database and to back up all your photos and your theme files and everything else. Here you can see Updraft, backup and restore. You can visit the plugin site, and that'll give you more information on it. This plugin has a lot of things that you can do with it. Go ahead and click over there and see what it looks like. It has some directions and things here. I'm not sure. You go to maybe the support form or the documentation. These are the things that would help you. Over here in settings, you have Updraft settings. Go ahead and click on those. Okay, and it pulls it up. It tells you what time it is, that you don't have any that you can actually back up right away by clicking on this button, or you can restore. Maybe you backed up something and you want to go back to that. You can do that with the restore button. This is pretty cool. It has a directory that it is creating to Updraft folder that it's putting these backups into. Download backups. You can have them scheduled to come at a certain time if you want, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can like save one backup at a time. This is like if it's saved up on your host. You can have it backed up to a cloud like an Amazon service if you want to have it backed up that way. You can have you send you an email when it's completed backing it up. Right now I'm having it back up right onto my website. You can email of where to send the backed up files to. Now this one I'm going to actually do a manual backup on every once in a while. I do have the other ones that's just backing up just the database and taking care of the database. I've not tested to see if they both work together. I'm going to go ahead and do a backup now. This will schedule a one-time backup. It should now be backing up my information and saving it on my web host. I'm going to go back and check and make sure that is there. It is set to send me an email to let me know when it's through. And once I got the email, I'll go back and I'll check in my host and make sure the backup file is there. And this I may do every month or so. It just backups the images and some things there. My content will be backed up in the database, and I do that daily. Anyway, have fun with this.